Hello, so here I dictate to you my collection. I do have an education collection. If anybody is at all interested, I'll show you how many big my entire collection is. But as far as education, oh yeah, interviews. I have like radio shows. I have some coast to coast, alien contact. These are the different shows that I have. If you like coast to coast, these are from like 3 years ago or something. I was a member for a few months and then got collected a few of them, just ones that I thought were interesting. And so these are, I guess, most of them with George. Well, I guess the same. I haven't really listened to it much, but I guess George Newry and Ian Punnett and like George Knapp, maybe? I don't know. Basically those two guys. Maybe a couple of Art Bells in here. But of course this video is mainly about my history. But it is a lot. Science. Got some cool science. Wish I had more Edgar Casey. If anybody has Edgar Casey or Seth, that would be really cool. But yeah, that's that. All in all, I have 288 gigabytes. And I have 15.8 gigabytes of coast to coast. This is my friend. It's like my dad's best friend from the 80s, Duncan Campbell. He's got his interviews with these guys. Those are good interviews. These are like Buddhist. Oh, I guess I don't have any of that. This is some dude with a radio show. He's got some cool interviews. He's I guess, kind of into aliens and stuff. Yeah, so all in all with interviews, I have 18.6 gigabytes. But then I have a New Age folder, which is 27.1 gigabytes. And I've got it busted up. These are just like YouTube videos that I collected off of people who I noticed. So like I even have a, alternative history. This is like Natural Reader that I just transferred articles into words. This is stuff that I got off like what David Wilcock like referred to as far as like, the Earth's changing and stuff. National Geographic articles on Atlantis and stuff like that. I think this might be the one from that one dude who said he jumped to Mars, Andrew Basiago, his little book he wrote. Yeah, so Bashar, dude, check it out. I've got all this of Bashar. Oh, I got some Richard Hoagland down there. That's in the wrong place. That's in the wrong dang place. Schnitzy. Well, I probably should do this at another time. That was a bad idea. Okay, so anyways. Oh, shit, losing control. Alright. Now each one of these are like an hour long. I guess I have two of those, so I wonder what the deal with that is. I guess one of them is WAV. I guess I forgot to delete the WAV. Anyways, oh, here's some brain dude that somebody wanted me to do a video on, so I collected some of this. I still need to hear it. I heard it once. Got a bunch of Dan Winter stuff. Each one of these is like a couple of hours long because I have, like 18 different parts. Well, all this is like it's like the whole thing, like um, like how long? 2 hours just for that one. So, oh, David Wilcock. Let's see. These are those books he wrote that are on his website, turned into Natural Reader, about like how they're what all the scientists are finding and stuff. Here's some dude about like natural food and stuff. Noticed a couple years ago. These are some like Dolores Cannon talking about stuff. And they're kind of long. That's 8 minutes. That one's 5 hours and 19 minutes. Jeez, that's a lot. George Cavasalis. Somebody referred me to him, so I got some of his stuff. All of his 3 different playlists of him talking about stuff. Maybe I have even the name. Yeah, his interview on Camelot and different stuff. Greg Braden. Yeah, there's different playlists. Cryon, A Message, Cryon 2. Lisa Renee, Indigo, Multiple Dimensionality. That's 2 hours long. That one's probably like 2 hours long. Magenta Pixie, I've heard some of her stuff before. Haven't listened to any of it lately though. Michael Tessarion, he's like an alternative historian. I should listen to that. Nassim Harriman. Now I have like all of his entire series of when he talks. It's like that one's 37 minutes, but this one is like an hour and 24 minutes. It's Project Camelot interviews. I got all of these guys. Shung. Pretty crazy. Raw subjects. I have everything from Raw. This is everything from Raw in Natural Reader with Kate. He was a good voice. He was a really good voice. Really good voice, Kate is. So I got Seth, but just not that much. Just stuff from YouTube. Like the Seth Speaks, but it's not really that much. It's like, how much is it? 5 hours? Maybe that's really 5 minutes. 349, I guess it is 5 hours. What the fuck? The entire book? Here's some dude that somebody referred me to, so I collected some of his where he does the entire series. That's a lot. Can you put a folder and see how much space, how much time it all is? I guess not. But whatever. Okay. So anyways, there's my New Age. But I also have education like science. I have all the formal sciences. I have all the different computer sciences. Wikipedia turned into Natural Reader. If you're into studying all the sciences, I might include these on my timeline, where I put the exact date that it was that these sciences were created, and then add the audio file to it. I very well might do that, and I very well might turn all of my audio files, every single king, battle, war, invention, invasion, castle, piece of art, cathedral, mosque, church, dynasty, kingdom, empire, all on audio. But these are all the different sciences. Wikipedia files. So, and then I have all the humanities. I have all the history stuff, but I put that into my timeline. So these are all the stuff under languages and linguistics, all the different performing arts, all the different kinds of music, all the visual arts, and then the definition for humanities. And I also have the natural sciences, well, I guess which is biology and life science. So like I got all the different like subjects within biology according to like Wikipedia, and so it's a lot. Lot of stuff. Everything in the human body. Like those are all the glands. There's like, I guess, 5 of them. I think the appendix is a gland too. All the different medicines. It's just that they don't know it's a gland yet. That's the problem. Immunology. So, physiology. Zoology. For example, life. Domain. Eukaryote. Whoops. Kingdoms. So we got everything in the animal kingdom. And these are all, I don't have it totally organized, I don't think. But I have all the like deuteromes. Got all the Engdozoa. I'm going to eventually organize this and do a really cool map. That was the original idea behind this. That's why there's not so many stuff here. But this is how I have it organized right now anyways. Those little E's are actually the Wikipedia files in written. For some reason I copied those. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm going to take them off one day. Never going to read it. So, but you have all the radiata, the superphloem, plagdozoa, inside that the Calactomactoma, and the phylum Glastigmuta, and the Immucatoa. And then I have everything vertebrate. So I have all of the dinosaurs. All of the dinosaurs. Wikipedia articles. Everyone that they found. And I'll organize those in their little things when I do the zoology map. But I have like a list of animals. So I got all the amphibians. Maybe I should switch this up. Make it a little bit. There we go. Got all the amphibians. Got all the arachnids. What? I have to do that all over? There we go. Got all the arachnids. Got all the birds. Why do I have to redo that? It's so annoying. Can't it just stay? All the birds. All the soaring birds. Got all the canines. Got all the domestic dogs. These are from Wikipedia. Oops, why don't I have wolves there? Wolves are wild dogs. See, it's not totally organized. Got all the dolphins. Those are all the dolphins. Got all the domesticated animals. So annoying, I have to reset this every time. Got all of the felines. Got all the fish. And all the different sharks. Ooh, oh my god. The list of fish is huge. So it's like those. Those. All of those. of those. All of those. And all of those. So, there's lots of different fish. I have all of the insects. I guess this is another way to organize it. All the insects. All those. All those. All those. All the edible insects. Which is all those. I have all the marsupials. I have all the Mustadelii. So these are like, weasels and stuff. Got all the primates. Got all the reptiles. Got all the crocodilia. Got all the Cenopanendia. Got all the squamata. Squamata are like turtles and stuff. Turtles actually aren't reptiles. Well, I guess they are. They're squamata. Got all the lizards. Yep. Got all the testudines. All the testuigians, along with all the tortoises, which I guess is one tortoise. Yeah. Got all the rodents. Got all the ungulates, so these are like horses, animals with hooves. Got all the unorganized animals, which I never had the time to actually figure out what the fuck they are. Well, I guess primate, that's a monkey. That's a primate. Whatever. Not totally organized. Got all the different kinds of whales. All the different kinds of whales. So those are all the vertebrates. So let's see. Oh, I guess that's that. Then I got all the different funguses. Then I got all the different Monera. Oh, whoops, I guess I don't have all the different Monera. Got all the phylums. You know, like class. I don't actually have this organized that much. But, yeah. And I got all the plants. You know, like food. I got all the fruits. Banana, bitter, melon, pomelo. Got all the different berries. You know, like the other berries. And the pseudo berries. And the true berries. Got all the cacti and other succulent. Whoops, I guess I don't. I've got all the fruits of Asian origin. Got all the fruits of guess I don't have them. Guess all the fruits of North American origin. Got all the herbaceous annual fruits, like the accessory fruits, like the melons and other members of that. I've got all of the Mediterranean and subtropical fruits. Got all the podocarps. Whoops, I guess not. Got all the Rosacrae family. Got all the whoop, guess I don't. Got all the unsorted fruits. I guess not. And let's see, I got all the grains. And yes, there are a lot of different kinds of grains, as you can see. Yep, got all the different kinds of herbs. All those, all those. Marijuana is an herb. Yep, got all the nuts. Oh, guess not. Got all the seeds. Guess not. Got all the vegetables. Like all the bulb and stem vegetables. And I got all the fruit and flowering. Whoops, guess not. Um, so, um, okay, physiology. So, now I had all the organs. I don't know where the hell they went. Interesting. Well, I hope they're on my other hard drive. But whatever. So that's what I have in education, which is a grand total of 85 gigabytes. So, anyways, here's my history folder, which is, hold on, it's growing. It's going, it's going. 203 gigabytes of history. But I'll talk about that after.